Okay, here we are, house number 2. This is on Briar Court, I believe it is. You would come in from this side, just a couple of cul-de-sacs back here. I forgot to mention the other house that we were at that I videoed. That road dead ends past that house about a half-mile down, so there's not going to be a lot of traffic on that one either. That gives you an idea of what's around you. Similar feel to this house. The footprint of it, how it sits on the ground, is very similar. You've got your side load. There's an outdoor shower behind that gray door, as well as the AC unit is back there. I believe that's a requirement in this neighborhood for those things to be hidden from street view. Yeah, nice landscaping. This has some landscape lighting, irrigation. Here, nice little portico area, pantry. This has kind of a farmhouse feel to it. The engineered flooring, it's not true hardwood, but as soon as you come in, dining room area, this is larger, slightly larger than where we just were. Back off to the kitchen, and then your living area and a second living area, den area, followed by the screen porch over here. So let's go take a look at the kitchen. And you kind of give up square footage in some areas for other. You've got a very large kitchen here, but that compromises the size of the master bedroom. Somebody liked to cook. Double ovens, very nice refrigerator, range top. This one has good views toward the golf course. You have a couple of pantry areas in here. You've got one back here and then one behind us that I'll show you again. Go out here to the screen porch. This has a little pad outside here for your grilling area. Right on the golf course, cart path right there. Not much backyard, but I don't think you wanted a lot. Good sized screen porch, just like the other house. Fan, electrical out here. That goes back into the living area. Yeah, really good views out there to the course. Beautiful kitchen. Okay, now that goes out to the garage. Let's go ahead and show you that before we hit the master bedroom. And another pantry door here. Washer dryer, they are not in there, so this house does not have washer dryer included with it. And just like the other house, this one is wired for a security system. Your garage. Again, similar. Water heater, wet sink, door goes outside. So, let's see what's in here. I didn't check this. Probably just another little storage area. Yeah, some storage underneath the steps. I think somebody smoked in the garage. They must have come out here. I don't smell it at all in the house, but it has a bit of a cigarette smell in the garage. Upstairs to a very large bonus room. They took every bit of space in the attic and enclosed it. A lot of little storage areas off the side, but that's really just access to your ductwork and HVAC system. This was somebody's little play area. That goes right to the air handler unit for service, and a full bath. Master bedroom. And this is where I say you kind of give up some space in other areas. Let me get that to focus for you. Master bedroom is a bit smaller. Don't have access out to the porch from here, but I don't know if that's an interest to you or not. Your master bath, the jacuzzi tub, shower stall, single vanity, and then the throne. A bit smaller than the other, but probably all you need. And now there is a walk-in closet back here. Pretty good size. All right, let's go take a look. Back to the other side. Similar to what we saw before. Second bedroom, maybe 10 by 11. It's a little bit smaller. Good views of the golf course. Your half bath. And the front bedroom, more than likely the 10 by 10, 10 by 11. Now, I don't think I took you around the back. Let me walk out and show you the back of the house. So there's that enclosed shower area, AC unit, little storage box behind these hedges. Here comes the golf cart. Ooh, it's going to be hot today. It's muggy. This is a beautiful golf course. Can't see much of the back. It's really wooded. You see the stake there. That gives you an idea of the size of the backyard. That's the corner marker. This is really the extent of grassy area directly behind the houses. Unless you sod it and trim back some trees, that's about all the grass you're gonna have. That's it for this one.